Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily download and install the Calibre software for documents or books conversion. To begin, open your browser and type Calibre and hit enter. Under Calibre ebook management, click on download. Here we'll choose the version which we want. This one is for Windows users, Mac users, Linux users. And here we have also a portable version, and here you have the Android, and this one is for iOS. For this purpose of this video, we are going to stick to Windows 1. So right click to have it downloaded. Once the download is over, I will show you the next step. As a next step, right click on the software and select install. Click I accept the term and license and click install. You can always choose advanced to select where you want to install the software. Once the download is over and the installation, the system will close automatically and you should be able to see these little icons on your desktop. Right click on Calibre shortcut so that you can open the books or the format converter. You will need to wait a few seconds until it loads. And here you need to choose the language. So choose the language which you want, click next. Here you need to choose the device. If you don't know the name of the manufacturer of the device which you are using, the device from which you will retrieve the books, then just select generic and select generic e-ink device and click next. Click finish, and then the software will set up and open for you. Now your software is ready, and all what you need to do is to start drop dragging the documents inside of it. So we can actually do it this way. You can try to locate a document and or a book, regardless of the format, just drop drag inside and it should work. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.